In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change button styles in GoDaddy Website Builder. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are signed in, go to your website dashboard. From there, open the Websites Plus Marketing section and choose the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. Once the editor opens, look for the Theme option. This is where you can control the overall visual style of your website, including colors, fonts, and in some cases, button appearance. After opening the theme settings, look for a button section. If your current version of GoDaddy Website Builder includes this option, click on it to view the available button styles. You will usually see a set of preset designs that change the shape, look, and overall styling of buttons across your site. Take a moment to browse through the button style options. As you click each one, the editor may update the preview automatically so you can see how the style looks in context. Choose the button style that best matches the design of your website and the overall appearance you want visitors to see. Once you select a style, review how it appears throughout your website. Check the buttons that are already visible in the current page section. Then move through other pages in the editor to make sure the updated style looks consistent everywhere. This is important because a button style may appear slightly different depending on the page layout, background color, or section design. After that, click Preview to see how the new button style will look on the front end of your website. This gives you a cleaner view of the design without the editing tools on screen. Look carefully at the size, shape, and visibility of the buttons to make sure they are easy to notice and fit well with the rest of the site. If everything looks good, return to the editor and click Publish. This will apply the new button style to your live website so visitors can see the updated design. That is the full process for changing button styles in GoDaddy Website Builder. If the button section is not available in your theme settings, it usually means the builder is using preset theme controls with limited customization in that area. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.